I am Jessica. Welcome to my travel channel.
Today we'll be exploring one of Australia's most famous beaches, Bondi Beach. Join me as we take a walk on the wild side of this iconic destination. But before we get started, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And if you have any questions or comments during the video, be sure to drop them down below. All right, let's get started. The Bondi Pavilion is a cultural center that hosts various events throughout the year, from art exhibitions to concerts. The Bondi Icebergs Club is a famous swimming club that offers a unique swimming experience in the ocean pool. One of the highlights of Bondi Beach is the stunning coastal walk that stretches from Bondi to Coogee. The walk offers breathtaking views of the coastline and is a popular destination for visitors and locals alike.
If you want to see the hottest video cuts of my walks, subscribe to my Patreon. Link below.
It's a great way to escape the crowds and take in the natural beauty of the area. As we continue our walk, you'll see some of the incredible street art that adorns the walls and buildings of Bondi Beach. The art scene here is vibrant and constantly evolving, making it a unique and dynamic place to visit. We'll end our walk at the northern end of Bondi Beach, where you'll find some of the best views of the ocean and the surrounding coastline. The sand here is pristine, and the water is perfect for a refreshing dip. Thanks for joining me on this walking tour of Bondi Beach. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more travel content. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, let me know in the comments below.
Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one. Bye!